Hi and welcome into another LeetCode challenge. Today we'll be dealing with an easy one, shortest word distance. Given an array of strings words dict and two different strings that already exist in the array, word 1 and word 2, return the shortest distance between the two words in the list. So we are getting in example 1 words dict, which is an array, and we have practice makes perfect, coding makes, and word 1 is coding, so here it is, and the word 2 is practice, so here it is, and the output will be the difference of this 1, 2, and 3. So example 2 words dict, practice makes perfect, coding makes, word 1 is makes, word 2 is coding, but actually makes is also here, so makes and coding makes a difference of 1. Alright, so let's think about the solution and get back to the console. Alright, so we are back in the LeetCode console. I will be using JavaScript, but you can use many other languages as well. So probably we will need to keep a track of the index of the first word, index of the second word, and also the current results. So let's declare that. Let's do let index 1 equals to -1. Let's prevent ourselves, because maybe we will have a array and a word which will not be there, so that will be our fail-safe. And let's do I2 equal -1, and let's do let result will equal, in the worst case, the result will be like the whole array. So let's do it this way, words dict dot length. And now let's go to the idea. So we will go through each element in this loop. So let's do maybe 4. Let I equal 0 up to words dict length. Yeah, and I plus plus and I plus plus. All right, and what we want to do, we want to find the word, and if it's the word 1, we will do the index 1, and it's the word 2, we will overwrite the I2 because we found the new index. So let's do it this way. If words dict at I equal word 1, then we want to do I1 equal new I. And if words dict, or maybe let's do else. Okay, if I1 equal I, else if words dict at I equal word 2, then we want to do I2 equal I. And at the end, what we want to do, we need to check the result, so update it if needed. So let's do it this way. Let's do that the new result. Okay, maybe we need to know firstly that the words are in fact there. So if I1 isn't equal -1 and I2 isn't equal -1, so that we have our fail-safe for not finding the word, then we want to calculate the result one more time. So result will equal to mat mean, the minimal value between current result and the difference between indexes 1, I1 and I2, but we need to wrap it also in math ABS, so that we always have a positive integer. Alright, and at the end, after the whole loop, let's just return the result and see if it will work. Okay, so both cases are accepted, and let's submit the whole suite. Yeah, and we are good in that. So just to go through it very briefly, the words dict is an array of words, word 1 and word 2, and we are checking the difference. We are declaring index 1 and index 2 so that we can keep track of where this word is in the array. We are starting with -1 as a failsafe if we don't find the word in the array. Then we are creating a result value, which will be our answer, and we are creating a for loop going through each individual elements in a words dict and checking. If the current word is equal to word 1, we are updating I1, and if the current word is equal to word 2, we are updating I2. And then if we know that both of the words were already found in the array, so they are not on this beginning index initial one of -1, then we are recalculating the result, doing a mat min between, we are just finding minimal value between the current result and the operation of deducting from indexes, index 1 and index 2. And that makes the solution to this problem. So that will be all for today, and see ya in another one.